Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fucking that I keep the.
Hey guys, I am back with another video. In today's tutorial, I am going to be trying one more hair. It's a hair company and they sent me a beautiful wig. It is a deep wave T-PART lace wig and they sent me 24 inches. And it has this color that on their website it says is 427 piano color. I don't know how the name of the colors work, but yeah, this is how the wig looks on the inside. I have to say I'm not a fan of T-PART wigs, but I decided to give it a try and see what's good. I started off by putting some foundation, on the areas where there is lace. As you guys saw, there's barely any lace, but I still went ahead and did the same steps that I would do with a regular lace wig. I went ahead and put some more foundation on my wig cap as well, just to make sure the little lace wig matches everything. I also removed the pins or the clips that comes on the inside. Those usually bother me a lot, and since I'm gonna be wearing a wig cap, I do not need them. And yeah, moving on, I'm gonna start by, of course, placing the wig where it's supposed to be, making sure it fits and it's placed the right place. And then I went ahead and cut the extra lace on the side. There's not much, but I just wanted to make sure it's fitting around my ears comfortably, and that's what I'm doing right now.
I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might justify. Fucking that I keep the quality.
Then I took a tiny alcohol pad and removed the makeup around my hairline so I can proceed to install the wig. I'm using Ebine lace spray. I would say with this wig you can definitely make it into a glueless unit, because honestly there's nothing to work with. I was struggling a little, but I made it work at the end. You guys gonna see, trust the process. It was a trip. It was definitely challenging, I would say, but I tried to keep the same process I would do with any other lace wig, even though this one barely had any. But this is definitely not the wig's fault. I'm just used to a different type of wigs. At the end, I realized I was just complicating myself for no reason. After applying enough coats, I think I did 2 coats of the Ebine lace spray, and I made sure to dry it in between layers. I went ahead and I placed the wig and I started pressing on the lace onto my skin, and I also used some more of the Ebine lace spray to make sure everything is in place and my hair don't move. Of course, you want to make sure you're always using a blow dryer and cold and a small comb to make sure everything it's being glued on and it stays in place.
Myself a day and count my figure shit. It's that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit.
I left on the elastic band for a few minutes and then I came back when it was ready to be removed, and I went ahead and I started cutting my lace, the extra lace. I had to be very careful. I didn't want to lift any of the lace because it's very tiny, and of course if you lift it, it's gonna be completely off. So I went ahead and I did it carefully, and then I moved on to cutting off the extra lace. And for that I used a tiny razor, eyebrow razor, I think.
Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna.
If you get a little lifting while cutting your lace, that's completely normal. It happens a lot of times. Not always, but it's definitely something that can happen. But it's an easy fix problem. You just need to spray some ebine lace on the end of your comb. I like to use the end of my little razor, and just place it and press it where it needs to be applied, and use your blow dryer, or you can just let it air dry as well.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my face in action. These days, oh my yeah, it'll be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin.
But yeah, girls, like, I feel like it's coming out pretty nice. I was not expecting this to be this nice, girls. Like, I look serious on the video, but I'm excited. It looks good. Then I move on and I put some powder on the lace to make sure it's not shiny and all that. You guys know how all of this works. Of course, you want to use a powder that's exactly the same color as your skin or foundation or makeup, whatever. And then I went ahead and I put some concealer on my part to make sure it's clean and sharp. Honey, Sharpie, purr. I could have left the style right there, but honey, it's curly hair, and I feel like there's nothing that goes better with curly hair than baby hairs. So I don't know where I got the hair from, because you guys saw how this lace was at the beginning. There was no lace at the front. Like, there was barely any. There was barely any extra hair to do any extra things, but I made it work. I pulled up some hairs and I went ahead and I started working on my baby hairs. I used my hot comb to make sure they flat towards my face, and I used the same little what is it called, razor thing, and my scissors to cut them, and I curled them with this tiny iron that I got from Amazon. And then I think I used some regular gel to do my baby hairs. And basically that's it. It was given. I was really proud of myself. I was really happy with the hair. The quality is amazing. The curls are bomb. You guys are about to see. I'm about to comb it out so you guys can see how it looks. Beautiful, honey. With the color, I feel like this color, like this light brown with highlight colors, look really good on me. Like, lately I've been loving it.
What you wanna be, who you wanna be, a young stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna be, who you wanna be.
I went ahead and I used my hot comb a little bit on top of my head, because there's nothing better than a flat wig, a wig that lays flat on your head. It looks good. Like, look at that. Like, I feel like that color really suits me very, very well. I'm really happy with the color and the hair in general. Like, I feel like this is, perfect hair for an everyday use, a quick some like if you have to go to school, if you have to go to work, and you don't want to stress yourself out with all the lace work. This is a perfect option. It looks natural, it looks good, and it's easy to apply because there's barely any lace. So, and you can always make it glueless by adding some elastic band to the back, and of course, using some mousse to lay the tiny lace it comes with. So we have reached the end of this video. I hope you stick to it and you trust the process. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope you love it. Like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I will see you guys on my next video. Muchísimos besitos. Bye.